Today we're going to look at another portion of Firehouse, and we're going to look at logging staff activities. This is kind of a new module that we're just learning about, but we want to show you how we can log daily activities that we do in this staff activity module. So you'll go to this drop down box here and you'll come down to the SA tab, staff activity. You'll see on here a handful of events that we have created, and this list could grow quite possibly. You'll see here that anything from station tours to teaching CPR, when we do our AED checks, if we're doing hydrant maintenance, flowing hydrants, other types of public relations, even installing smoke alarms. For this video here, we'll just do AED checks. So we'll select that, and yes, we'll create a new staff activity. We can log the start time here. We'll say we did that from 0900 today, and it took us an hour. Please fill out every box that you can. Give us the most information you can. These will be off-site. We'll say that the main station did this. Today is C shift, so we'll select C shift. And which unit? Today Rescue 1 did it. We'll say it's a fire activity type. Not too concerned about that yet at this point. You go down to here to add group. We'll add from scheduling. We'll ensure that the correct people are on that list, and we'll hit OK. If this was a PR, a public education, or a public service type event, for example, if you went to a daycare or some type of facility where you gave a PR, you could list the number of adults that attended or number of children. If you did smoke detectors, you would insert how many were here. If you inspected seat belts or car seats, you could do that here. If you go to a facility that we do have an occupancy ID on, we ask that you would do it, pull the lookup code here, and just because we can, we'll pull one up here. I don't know, let's say we went to automation tool just for giggles. Okay, so that ties this activity to that occupancy and shows that we did activity at the occupancy. In this notes section, we'll simply just type what we did. Inspected AED units at the stated occupancy. We'll hit enter once. We'll right click, user date and timestamp. We'll check the other fields. Nothing necessarily is required. You can see that there were 3 participants for a total of 3 staff hours. You click save, check your spelling, and close. That is how you log a staff activity into Firehouse. If you want to check to make sure it recorded it, you can go to journal and you can look. Well, as we see here, it didn't log it. So I lied, it did log it. If we go down here and we click on this tab, non-incident activities, we can see that there's a 1 there, and it pops up and it shows station 1 C shift AD checks. We'll click that. We can look through and see that everything is there as we recorded it correctly, and that's good. Like I said, these can be recorded for multiple events, and that list we intend to build out further in the future. So if you have any ideas of staff activity events that you'd like to see in this list, feel free to comment, feel free to send us a message, and we hope to be able to track this data a little bit better this way. Until next time.